Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an action figure in ChatGPT. So first things first, you have to create an account in ChatGPT and then you have to follow the prompt that I am going to show you right now. But basically you can also use your own prompt, but this is how you create or a sample prompt in order for you to have this action figure result. So you have to enter or paste or copy and paste a prompt right here. So this is my sample prompt. But before that, you can also upload the picture that you want to attach here, upload here in ChatGPT. And then below the picture, you can just copy and try this prompt that I'm using right now. You can use this one or you can create your own. And basically, this is what it looks like. Highly detailed 6-inch action figure and so on. So all you have to do is to type something like this, similar like this, or you can create your own. So once you're done, then all you have to do is to press enter or search, and then after that ChatGPT will generate some questions, more questions, or they would like to be very specific with the picture that you want. So they will ask you this one, and all you have to do is to answer. Depends on what you want or what you wish. So you can select this one right here, and then this is what it looks like. So basically, this is how easy it is to make an action figure in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.